Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, come to you live from Asia, guys. We got a huge, massive announcement that could take XRP higher and higher, guys. It's freaking huge announcement, and we're going to be talking about that, breaking that down. Also, looks like the M2 money supply is telling us and indicating that we could see $160,000 Bitcoin coming in pretty soon, guys. So we're going to be talking about that and much, much more, guys. This is going to be pretty much a positive video. So if you guys need some positive vibes, you're going to get it right here, guys. Absolutely get it right here. So XRP, massive move coming soon, guys, because of this huge announcement. So watch this video to the freaking end, guys, and don't forget to smash the likes, smash the likes, guys, and don't forget to give super thanks out there. And don't forget, it's the OG's birthday today, and we got our co-host Stinky Winky in the house, guys. So it's a great time to be live. And remember, none of this is financial advice. Go back and watch all my other videos. I would appreciate it, guys. I would appreciate it. So what's going on in the crypto markets? We're seeing that Bitcoin is looking good. It's positive territory, 105. We're seeing Ethereum is up, but we're seeing a lot of the altcoins are not doing so good. We're seeing that XRP is at $2.17 and some change out there. We're also seeing Doge is down as well, but Bitcoin is still looking pretty good, guys. Overall, we're seeing the market cap is below 3.3 trillion. We need to get ourselves above 3.3 trillion right freaking now. We need to make that happen out there. We're still seeing that 24 hours still up, but 7 days we're all down. Ethereum is up, but 7 days up 1.16%. XRP is down 4.16%. I know a lot of you are getting tired about XRP. We're going to talk about that. A lot of stuff coming for XRP out there, but a huge breaking news for XRP. And remember, none of this is financial advice, and I'm not telling you what to do. I'm not telling you to buy. I'm not telling you to sell. I'm just giving you my advice based on my experience, guys. So that's kind of what I'm doing out there. We're seeing that right now. XRP has dropped a little bit. It's at 216 and some changes at 217 earlier. We did hit a high today for XRP around 2725. But we're seeing that the sentiment for XRP is still very bullish out there. Also, too, right now we're seeing that Dogecoin, let me give this a minute to refresh, is at 1752 out there. Not doing too good. We hit 1783. We come down a little bit, but we could be more positive. So what have we got to look forward to on Monday? Not much. Tuesday, we've got retail sales out there. Wednesday, we've got housing starts, jobless claims, but all eyes are going to be on FOMC rate interest decision. So if the rates do come down, this will probably send Bitcoin much higher, and the rest of crypto will go up as well. So that's kind of what's happening. So we need to keep our eyes on this, and it's at 2 p.m. So that's what is going on out there. So this is it, breaking. Looks like big news from XRP and Cardano, breaking full XRP integration coming to Cardano, says founder. Charles Hoskins hints at full XRP integration into Cardano plus RLUSD. DeFi features Lace wallet support and a Glacier drop, so that's pretty good. So it looks like Cardano, blockchain is going to be supporting XRP Ledger, RLUSD, so that is going to be pretty good, guys. So that's going to allow you to have some DeFi features, swaps, and all that. Maybe even some staking, guys. Maybe we can get some XRP staking. That'll be pretty good. So this is huge, big announcement. Also, don't forget, Ripple SEC legal battle nears judgment. Remember, June 6th is going to be critical. It's the deadline for the SEC to file a status report with the Second Circuit. This report will indicate whether the settlement is on track or the appeals will resume, okay? Ripple and the SEC recently filed a joint motion asking the judge to do this. Lift the institutional XRP sales injunction, okay? Lift the institutional XRP sales injunction. That is important. Reduce the proposed penalty from 125 to 50 million. And also, we're seeing that pro XRP attorney John Denton estimates that there's about a 70% chance the judge will approve it, but she has requested stronger legal justification before undoing a long-standing order, guys. So what do you guys think? You think this is political? You think it's going to happen? Comment out there. Denton says 70%. I don't know, guys, so please comment. I appreciate that. Also, looks like 58 million XRP transferred to Coinbase. A massive 26.9 million XRP, is about $58 million, was moved into Coinbase from a dormant wallet. Okay, this is a sleeping wallet. Potential reasons include positioning, OTC deals, liquidity management, or preparations for possible legal market volatility. So hopefully, that Judge Schwartz will rule in favor and things will go up, guys. Things will go up like crazy. Let's hope so. What else? Now, here's my bullish outlook for XRP. Bullish outlook in institutional momentum. Expert analysts suggest XRP could surge to $5 to $10 over the next 1 or 2 years if adoption accelerates and XRP spot ETFs gain traction. Okay, major corporate interests include firms like Trident Digital planning to deploy substantial XRP treasury, potentially reducing circulating supply. Long-term catalysts like CBDC integration, open-loop distribution, ledger use, and real-world asset tokenization could push prices possibly to $15. So, guys, you think $5 to $10 this year or in the next 2 to 3 years? I'd love to hear your comments out there. Don't forget to smash the likes. Also, big news from Vietnam, where I am right now. Vietnam legalized digital assets under the new digital tech industry law starting January 1st, 2026. That's going to happen. I don't think it's a good thing because they're going to want to take their pound of flesh. They're going to want to tax the crap out of it. So, yeah. So we got some time. Also, too, if we look at the money, the global M2 is pointing to 160K Bitcoin target by year end. We've seen this play out before. In 2017, BTC followed the wave of global liquidity to 20,000K. In 2020, 2001, it tracked M2 expansion all the way to 69K. If history repeats itself, but liquidity rhymes, remember, history doesn't repeat, but liquidity rhymes, this could push Bitcoin to $157,000, $160,000. Guys, what do you guys think about that? You think the M2 money supply? Let me see. Hey, Stingy, what do you think? Yeah, I think it's going to happen. I think we could see $140,000, $160,000 Bitcoin happening. What's happening in crypto today? Crypto Fear and Greed Index stays in greed territory even amid the Israel-Iran conflict. So that is positive, guys. Bitcoin ETF sees 5 days consecutive capital inflow. So that is good, guys. We're seeing more capital inflows for ETF. That is good rather than outflows, guys. So still pretty positive, even though we have the conflict. This is a Vietnam thing that we all know about. Looking pretty good. Looks like also breaking. Amazon just flipped the switch. XRP is now part of their payment system. This isn't a test. It's start of a financial revolution. So go to Amazon, check it out, and comment. Can you use XRP to pay on Amazon? Comment. If you love this content, don't forget to smash the likes, guys. I appreciate it. Looks like Bitcoin is breaking down. It has broken down. It's going sideways. I think we're going to get a bit of a bump soon. This is because of the Iran-Israel conflict out there. We're seeing that the returns for June is still positive. Typically, June is not so good, guys. So liquidations right now in the last 24 hours, we're seeing right now about the longs are still getting liquidated $183 million out there. So let's take a look at the XRP chart right now. XRP right now is still just going sideways in this channel with support at $2.04 and resistance at overhead resistance at 235. Now let's take a look at the technical indicators for XRP out there right now. What's going on technically? Still a big sell out there for XRP. Not looking good. I mean, how to say it's not bad. You know, the short-term outlook is bad, but the long-term outlook is freaking fantastic, especially with this ADA announcement as well. Doge, once again, just doing its thing, just going sideways in the channel, drop below support. Now, if we cannot stay above this 18-cent level, we could easily see Doge dropping way down, way down to around about. Get out of there. Yeah. Okay. We can see ourselves dropping down as low as like 12 cents, guys. So keep that in mind, guys. And also, too, guys, go check out my link below. If you wonder where it is, go to any of my videos. Click here. Okay. And go down here and click here. Partner with Blowfin. Check it out, guys. Sign up bonuses. And also the good thing over there as well is they've got a trading bot. I'm still waiting for Blowfin to turn on the trading bot, but we have a passive trading bot. You just kind of set it and forget it. Okay, set it and forget it, set it and forget it, and does everything for you. Hopefully we can get that turned on for you. pretty freaking soon. I would appreciate it. I need it. What else is coming in right now? We're seeing that Dogecoin is supported by a zone established from recent swing low. Each time it enters this zone, the support line from RSI prevents Doge from dropping further. So now note that the RSI lows are moving upward, forming higher lows. This could implies a hidden bullish divergence, guys. So hopefully Dogecoin will do its thing, guys. Dogecoin will do its thing. What else is coming in? Not much. That's about it. Let's take a look what's coming in on my Twitter feed right now. Looks like latest Bitwise Jetpack says owning one Bitcoin is America's dream for young investors. What else is coming in? Rumors Ripple will obtain bank license and transform it to bank. I don't know about that. Yeah, tomorrow's Ripple case. Let's hopefully we get the Fed reduction, guys. So that's kind of what's going on right now, guys. So I'll see you in the freaking next one. Be well, be blessed. Peace out.